Vietnam has undergone a remarkable transformation over the past few decades, transitioning from an agricultural-based economy to a lower middle-income one, and experiencing significant economic growth and market integration. IFAD is proud to have been a partner of Vietnam's rural communities for the past 30 years, working towards sustainable poverty reduction and hunger eradication.
Nền kinh tế gặp khó khăn thì nông nghiệp cũng đã trở thành một cái chỗ dựa vững chắc để nền kinh tế phục hồi và phát triển, và người dân giữ được cái đời sống cũng như là bảo đảm cái chất lượng cuộc sống của mình.
Through our 16 programs and projects, we have invested almost $700 million in 11 of the poorest provinces in Vietnam, focusing on market-led innovations, institutional and policy reform, and capacity building. Our efforts have yielded impressive results, with income increasing by over 25% for the poor in almost all targeted communes, and poverty reduced by over a third in project communes over the 2012 to 2022 period. We have also engaged 125 enterprises in our agricultural value chains, generated 5,630 new jobs, and benefited 32,100 households, with a total PPP investment of $22 million. But our work goes beyond economic development. By December 2022, we had also formed over 11,000 saving and credit groups, engaging over 93,000 members and generating millions of dollars of total savings. We have trained tens of thousands of people, including many women, on climate adaptation approaches and technologies, and have worked with hundreds of communities to adopt climate-informed approaches to sustainable development.
Và đặc biệt là trong bối cảnh hiện nay thì IFAD cũng đã rất quan tâm đến các cái lĩnh vực về thích ứng và ứng phó với biến đổi khí hậu. Đây là những các cái lĩnh vực mà chính phủ Việt Nam cũng dành rất nhiều ưu tiên và đánh giá cao cái sự đổi mới của IFAD.
As Vietnam continues to develop, we recognize that there are still significant challenges to be addressed. Climate change remains a pressing concern, and many rural women and young people, especially those from ethnic minorities, still face significant barriers to full participation in development.
Moving ahead, we plan to continue to mitigate the effects of climate change by promoting climate-smart agriculture and adaptive practices for rural people. Address the rural-urban migrations by making rural areas more attractive and inclusive, especially for the young women and men. We plan to continue to strengthen partnership and collaboration to leverage resources and scale up successful intervention. And finally, we plan to continue to ensure the sustainability of the good practices implemented and continuously adapt to address the emerging country needs and priorities.
We are committed to continuing our partnership with Vietnam, providing the support and expertise necessary to address these challenges and build a more equitable and sustainable future for all. Our 30-year journey with Vietnam has been marked with many successes, but there is still much work to be done. We are excited to continue the journey with Vietnam and to contribute to the country's continued success, serving as an example to other nations and proving that with the right partnership and investment, even the most challenging problems can be overcome.